Welcome back to another episode of Backyard Bachelor. In honor of everyone trying to eat more healthy and incorporate more shrubbage into their diets, we're going to make a spinach salad with homemade croutons. To start, we are going to slice and cube a couple pieces of sourdough bread. It is easier if the bread's a day or two old. And with the cubes of bread in a large bowl, we're going to add the following: oregano, rosemary, paprika, pepper, salt, coriander, and of course olive oil. And we're going to mix this nicely by hand, and as soon as each piece looks like it's lightly dusted, we're going to put on a tray. Place the tray into a 350-degree oven for 18 to 22 minutes, or when they look golden brown. Now for the spinach salad. In a large salad bowl, we have our bed of spinach, and we're going to dice half a red onion, as well as half or a quarter, about a cup of cherry tomatoes, and we're going to place that all together. Now, before tossing the salad, we're going to make the dressing. The mustard vinaigrette consists of 2 parts olive oil and 1 part white wine vinegar, as well as 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And as well as, lastly, we are going to add a pinch of turmeric, salt, and pepper, and just mix that together very nicely. By the time the salad's all put together, the croutons should be ready, and voila, you have a fresh spinach salad to enjoy. The croutons are the best part. It adds a little crunch, adds a little more texture, and yeah, give this recipe a try. As always, there are more dishes to come, and hope you enjoy this one. Till next time, yamas.